Hi guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram invite collaborator not showing, right? So the very first thing you have to do, you have to just go to the Play Store here, and after that on the search bar you have to type Instagram, okay? And make sure to update the app. As you can see here that I'm getting option to update it, so you have to update the app right now. And after updating the app, this may fix a problem, but if it doesn't, then you have to just go to the Instagram, and after that you have to click the profile icon which is on bottom right side corner, okay? And after that you have to click on the three lines which is on top right side corner, then just go to the setting, and after that you have to click on help, okay? And here click on report a problem. And if there is another way how you can report a problem, shake phone. So wherever you are getting that problem you have to shake it, but that doesn't matter, you can just click on report a problem. And here you have, if you have a screenshot that you are not getting a feature of invite collaborator, you can attach that the screenshot, and after that here you have to write, hello Instagram team, I have my Instagram account public and updated as well. Still I haven't got invite collaborator option available. Please provide invite collaborator option in my account as soon as possible. Thank you. So after writing that, you have to just click on the next, and that's it guys. So you have to report a problem, and just in under 24 hours Instagram team will contact you through the email, and they will try to fix your problem as soon as possible. So I hope you found this video really interesting and helpful, and if you did, leave a comment down below. Make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.